What's up, friends, sneakerheads, hikers, trail runners, people who like Gore-Tex shoes? You know, I think the term's like Gorpcore, something like that. I don't know. Anyways, got some Lowheat here on sale. Lowheat, might I add, on sale Lowheat, to open up soon. But as is customary around these parts, let's start this off with a little bonus unboxing. So this pair of sneakers has nothing to do with these really, unless you're just a fan of unboxing sneakers or my channel. Appreciate you if you are. These have to do with an unboxing I did shortly, a little bit back ago. The Hello Kitty Prestos, Nike Air Prestos. Talk about those. So if you're waiting on these, stick around. I'll be quick, or skip ahead like normal people do. Okay. So in that video, the unboxing of the Hello Kitty Prestos, I was like, these might be more meant for kids. Duh. But did I just say duh? Like we're in the 90s here? Anyways, I was starting to regret not getting a kid's size of these, and they were sold out on a variety of platforms, the kid sizes. And so when I found them, like they restocked or became available on Nike, I pulled the trigger. Full price, pulled the trigger on the preschool sizing. Nike Presto Quick Strike Preschool. University Blue, Black White. Ooh, interesting. So in English, they say University Blue. In other languages, they say Carolina Blue. Did you know that? I didn't know that. Anyways, these were a little pricey. They don't show the USD. I think they were 80 in this size. A little steep for kids' shoes, but I don't have any yet. But, if I did have a girl or boy, whatever, if they happen to like Hello Kitty, we got these on deck for them. So there's a little, little kids. Okay, these are a little big. Maybe I should have got smaller. Then you can just like force them to wear them and be cute. Maybe at this age they might not like Hello Kitty. These are a little big. So this was a bit of a gamble. Could have been an expensive gamble. Maybe I return these and shoot for a smaller size. Or do we just like think that, they at this age they will still like Hello Kitty? Ooh, I might have made a mistake. Anyways, check out my unboxing of the adult sizes. I try them on, give more thoughts there. Obviously, these are mostly meant for kids, so more appropriate. TBD on whether I keep these or not. I might have to return these. Go and then spring for some smaller ones if they're still in stock places. Because who knows? At this size, they're what? They're damn near, they're probably in third grade. And who knows if they like Hello Kitty. So, cool packaging though, right? Okay, on to the main event. Let's get into these. Excited. I've been eyeing these forever. That's how I feel like a purchase is justified, when you've been thinking about a pair or a piece of apparel for months. It's been in the back of your mind. You haven't forgotten about it. So that's these. These are, let's open this up. I shouldn't do this because then it's harder to return, but I have a Nike in LA here. I can return it there. Oh, it'll still work. Okay, never mind. I don't plan on returning these, but we'll see first once I get them in hand. So this is a general release pair of Nike Pegasus Trail 3s in Gore-Tex. So I really enjoy the Nike Pegasus line as far as comfort goes for Nike. I think they're one of the more comfortable Nike shoes. They're a runner. But just in general, to put your foot in and walk, I think the Nike Pegasus line, one of the most comfortable shoes they have. I did a wear review of those. Check that out. And so with that in mind, I'm big into trail shoes and Gore-Tex stuff. I like all weather conditions type thing, or is in the Nike terms, all conditions gear. So was definitely interested in these. But knowing that they're general release, most Nike stuff does eventually go on sale. Some super hot stuff, maybe not, but then they usually make more of it because it is selling so well. So I just had a feeling that these would eventually go on sale. These have been out a long time, so it took like a year's worth of rotation for them to go on sale, but finally they went on sale and I decided to cop. So retail, let's see, what was retail? It doesn't say. I think retail on these is $160. I think Nike was having a sale not too long ago, and I got 40% off. I think they were $100, 100 plus tax shipping, or free shipping. I'm a Nike member. A little over 100. So we'll see. Are these worth a little over $100? Hopefully. Okay. Now, this is not the first time I've had these in hand. I've seen these on the shelves at Nike stores. I have, put them, rotated them like this, looked at them, examined them, was tempted to buy them, and resisted. So let that be a lesson to you. Be careful with the GR pairs. It's painful when they do sell out. You've been eyeing something and you're like, damn it, that Fancy Pants dude on YouTube said to wait. Now they're all sold out. But patient, they restock. Especially the general release stuff. If they're not a collaboration or limited release, they very well, if they sell out, they want to make money. So like in that Solomon video, also trail runners, check that out. They restocked these, they've been out quite some time and now finally on sale. I wanted to go all black because I'm not usually an all black shoe guy, but need some in my rotation. And this is just a very utilitarian shoe to begin with, right? A GORE-TEX trail runner. That's a super utilitarian sneaker. And so let's take it a step further. Rather than wild colors, because I always have wild colors on, let's get black. Especially because a lot of my like hiking gear, jackets, windbreakers, shorts, all that stuff is kind of wild and loud for like being outdoors, has some bright colors. Sometimes it's just a little bit much. I don't care as much what I look like out hiking. It's not a fashion show. You're not running into tons of people. But when you go to national parks, there's quite a lot of people around. You're taking photos. After looking back at all my pictures, I'm like, I kind of wish I put some fits together a little bit better than just throwing on my random green and purple top with red shorts and then pink shoes. So I think that's pro tip for you. You got to get some neutral pieces in your outdoors gear. That way you can wear the colorful pieces and it's just not all just like color puke. Okay. What else? So you have when it comes to trail runners, you have a lot of different options. I've unboxed some on this channel. Check those out. You got the Solomons, they're in the 200s. This is half the price on sale. The Solomons are in the 200s. Very cool. But I would say even by today's current standards, maybe the tech's not there for serious trail runners. Casual people, probably like most of you or myself, you'll be fine. You could probably even hike, air quotes, depends on what your definition of hiking is. If it's 3 miles on a slight incline and dirt trail, you can wear Air Force Ones. Probably pretty comfortable. But if you're going over a variety of terrain where there might be water, different size rocks and pebbles, you'll want thicker outsole like this that you won't feel every single sharp rock or branch. You'll want traction to grip. Those are the differences of why you'd want a trail shoe or trail runner. I'm working up to running. Like I'm out of shape. I'm getting up there in age, working up to running. So these are going to be trail walkers to begin with. And then we're going to move on to running, jogging, then running. So we're a ways off from running. So right now I have the Nike React types in GORE-TEX. Nike React type. I have not done a wear review of these because I don't think Nike's temporarily discontinued these. They don't even make these anymore that I know of. You can find them on third-party retailers, and stuff. Probably some people got them listed on GOAT or eBay, I'm sure. But you can't buy these off the website, at least the US website that I'm aware of. So anyways, I haven't done a wear review on these. These are nice. Good, like, if it's rainy weather, good shoes to just wear to the gym, to get groceries in, to jog, to run. I mean, these are not serious running shoes. I always put that caveat out there so I don't get like flamed in the comments. That's an old 90s term too. So I don't get eviscerated in the comments by like true runners. Like I get it. This is not probably a performance running shoe, but these do fine. They're comfy for the most part, and they're very I don't know if they're 100% waterproof, like if you know, but for the most part they're waterproof. Anyways, the difference between these though, other than the model type, look at the traction. This is pretty durable, but this is meant for road and pavement, this traction. This is not necessarily meant for hiking or trails. Just the grip isn't there. So if it's muddy, like what this is meant for, or muddy, or any sort of dirt, pebbles, terrain, your teeth dig into the ground, give you grip and traction. These don't. This is meant to cause friction on flat surfaces, see? That's the main difference. Also, you got all this exposed foam, you know, twigs, rocks, etc. are going to poke into that, give you no protection, and shred this midsole up pretty quick. So that's the difference between these. If in case you were wondering, some people, I think a lot of people know that, but you know, maybe not. I don't know. Oh, I should probably put on the right one. This one's got the tag on it. So yeah, you got Salomon's for trail runners. Recently, I bought the New Balance 574 Salehi Bembury's. I unboxed those. Haven't tested those out yet. I don't know if I would call those trail runners. There's definitely meant to be trail shoes. I talked about it in the unboxing video. They got a hard outsole. Definitely trail shoes. I don't know about runners, if they have this type of midsole comfort and impact points. You could probably jog in them, that's fine, but I don't know for how long or how far. What else do you got? Oh, speaking of Salehi Bembury, today he dropped the Brand Black collaboration. Those are definitely trail shoes. They were pricey, $250 USD. I like them a lot. They got the Vibram technology, not the finger stuff, but you know, just the outsole grip technology to your foot, and I like their look, the two colorways, but 250 was real steep. I just hit on the off-white Air Force One mids. That video will be coming out eventually. Please subscribe. This is my channel subscribe plug moment. That video, if you're into hype sneakers, if you're into trail stuff, like keep watching. On occasion, I get that. I get those shoes and outdoor camping type footwear. So I was tempted to buy those Brand Black ones, but I just hit on the off-whites. The Nike Shocks were dropping. I was considering those, missed out because I forgot about them. I was considering getting on stock because it was just getting too much. I just bought these. Now, here's the question though. Do I return these? Do I return these and get those Salehi Bembury Brand Blacks? Over twice the cost, and I already own a couple pair of Salomons. As I said, if you check out those videos, should I do that? Let me know. Ooh, the outsole came up there. That's weird. I say trail inside in case you care. I don't really care about the insoles on general release shoes too much. Ooh, that kind of, I hate messing up the insole. Okay, there we go. Fit back in. It always scares me taking out the insoles on shoes. Like, I know other shoe reviewers and people, you know, they have no problem switching out insoles, taking them out, looking at them, but like they always, like most manufacturers, I feel like put a little bit of glue on the underside of insoles, and so taking it out and tearing a little bit of foam, that's just like messes with my OCD. I don't know. Anyways, okay, here we go. Here we go. Get both on. Right away, I would say I went half size up. I'm usually 11.5 in most sneakers. Sometimes, depending on the model, I go 12, or to be safe, I go size 12. I would say for these, you're safe with either. If you're going to wear thin socks like me, and you like a snugger fit for trail running, I would go true to size, actually. I haven't stood up in these, but I would maybe go true to size. Now, if you're going to wear thicker socks, trail socks, you're in a colder climate, if you're not going to be like running, maybe go half size up. Because if you're running, you don't really want too loose of shoes. It all depends, preference, how the incline, how much, how hard you're running. Like, if you're going downhill, if you're going uphill and then downhill, you definitely don't want to be sliding, you know, your foot sliding too much, but you don't want them pinched. It's a very delicate balance. I've talked about this in other videos. Kind of need it just perfect. So, always questions in the comments. What size should I get? Again, I'll repeat. You can go true to size with these. Don't be worried. Sometimes I get scared with Nike runners or performance shoes. You can go true to size. Maybe if you want more room, thinner socks, but you can definitely go true to size. From someone like me, I want a half size up to be safe. I think they'll be fine. Again, I'm not like probably going to run in these too much, working up to jogging, and I can just put thicker socks. They're fine. There's not too much room. To me, these are very comfortable hiking, walking shoes as of now. Now, what I will say is I noticed they don't have a super protective toe. They do have it a little bit here. If you hike a lot on a variety of terrain, you know why hiking shoes have a rubber toe, so you don't stub your toe on rocks. They do have it here, but then up on the top portion, it's less rubberized. There's this coating, GORE-TEX coating. This is GORE-TEX lined fabric or whatever. The technology of the weave to make it waterproof. And then they have some spray rubber on top. So it's not super protective. It's like a mesh, you know, like a runner shoe, a Flyknit type mesh, but then it's a GORE-TEX to be waterproof, and then they've sprayed this harder coating on it to be a little bit more protective and durable. So that's mainly what it is, durable, so it doesn't rip through. But I would be careful if you're like trail running through unkempt trails, unkempt paths. You know, you could stub your toe. You kick this into a branch, not going to be good. So yeah, these are great. My overall recommendation, go true to size. That being said, I'm not going to return these and get my true to size. I think these are fine for what I'm going to use them for. So there you go. There you have it. There you have it. Go true to size, but it's not the end if the world go and have size up. Okay, I've said that a million times. Let's see, rating. Do I even bother giving these a rating? Yeah, I'll give these a rating. I like them. Again, I'm used to a little bit more pizzazz. I'm not used to all black shoes on my feet. I mean, these are pretty stylish, I feel, at least. I don't think these are grandpa shoes you could get at Walmart. I definitely like the model and the silhouette and the functionality of these being GORE-TEX and trail shoes. So right there, you get, for me, it's over a 7, just in functionality and shape alone. I'm gonna give these a 7.5 just on the unboxing. These are more of a performance shoe, so I really should do a wear review. Let me know in the comments if you'd like that. If you'd like me to do a wear review video of these. I really won't do one if I don't get enough comments. Like, why would I do that? So if you want a wear review, it'll get me to hike more, get in shape more, test these out for you so I can test them out prior to you spending your hard-earned money on them. Let me know that you want a wear review, and I'll do it. Otherwise, you know, screw you guys. These are gonna go on a shelf, get used once, you know, every couple months, and no one will know how they work. Just me. All right, I got more Lowheat coming up soon. Appreciate you watching. Please subscribe. And to all you non-sneakerheads that happen to still be watching, yeah, I do trail shoes from time to time. So check out the other videos on my channel, and I'll probably continue to get them in the future. Not as often, but you know, once in a while.